Canon EOS R, Sony a7 III. Let's play a game. So I was going to do a full-on review of the Canon EOS R and compare it to the Sony a7 III, but I just don't want to. These videos take so much time to do, and Armando and Potato Jet already made videos about these cameras. So if you want a full in-depth review on this camera, then make sure to check out their videos. But for this video, we're gonna play a game. And donuts. But for this video, we're gonna play a game. I'm gonna put up two images on the screen, one from the Canon EOS R and the other from the Sony a7 III. And then you're gonna, oh my God. And then you're gonna decide which footage is from which camera. And then hopefully by seeing the results, it'll help you decide which camera you prefer, the Canon EOS R or the Sony a7 III. All right, let's play. So that is my very brief comparison between the Canon EOS R and the Sony a7 III. If you do want a full in-depth analysis and review of both cameras, then I highly recommend checking out Armando's and Potato Jet's video. Again, I apologize for not making a full review myself. I just want a donut. Shout out to B&H for sending the Canon EOS R for me to review. If you are interested in getting either one of these cameras, then make sure to check out the product links below. But I'm out of here. Thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, don't look at me, I'm a monster.